Today on my channel, we going over how to shorten links for MaxBounty and Clickbank affiliate products. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy YON WORLD. Now, this video was a request by one of my subscribers. They wanted me to make a video showing exactly how to shorten links for MaxBounty and Clickbank affiliate products. Now, this video is necessary because it's something you gotta know. With MaxBounty links, when it comes to certain link shortener services, MaxBounty links don't work. So what I do normally when I promote MaxBounty products is I use the raw link directly. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, if we go to one of the MaxBounty offers like this one, like say if you were going to promote Divine Eats, like this newsletter, 160 per lead, you're already approved, no daily cap. If you wanted to get the link for this and promote this, you would go to build tracking link, contextual raw link. It already has the landing page, and then you would just copy the link right here. Now, a lot of MaxBounty links, link shorteners ban MaxBounty links for some reason. I'm not 100% sure why, but they ban all MaxBounty links. Now, when it comes to Clickbank, though, Clickbank is different. Now, you can shorten any Clickbank link on any link shortener. For example, like if we go into Clickbank and we go into the marketplace on Clickbank and we wanted to promote the lottery maximizer, let's say if we wanted to promote this. So you come here and then you generate a hop link and then you would copy that, right? And then you would come to a service like TinyUrl, right? This is like one of the best services, #1 services. Your link never expires. You would come to a service like TinyUrl, and then you would just copy your Clickbank link. And then you could also enter in an alias, like if you wanted an alias, you could enter in an alias for your Clickbank, URL, and that can make it look better. If you promote it somewhere like on a blog or something. But all you would have to do after that is make the URL, and then it's created, and it's there forever. It's created forever. But if you're somebody that wants, the tracking capabilities, you want to be able to track, how many clicks your link is getting, where the clicks are coming from. The top link shortener service I recommend is SmartUrl. This is one of my favorite. You can go on my YouTube description right now. It's full of SmartUrls. But basically, for everything basically I use when I want to shorten a URL, I use SmartUrl. That's my favorite one. I got, a lot of different links on SmartUrl, but that's one of my favorite ones. And another one you can use is Bitly. Now, one thing I found out is that with MaxBounty offers, Bitly will, shorten a URL link. So, for example, if you wanted to take this link right here, copy it, and then you go to Bitly, and then you paste that right there. And Bitly will create a link shortener for MaxBounty links. So MaxBounty links aren't banned on Bitly. And Bitly is a very clean looking link shortener. A lot of companies use Bitly, and it's very clean. I just like SmartUrl. A lot of musicians and record labels, they use SmartUrl. So I like to use SmartUrl. TinyUrl is the original, none of your links expired. The only downside with TinyUrl is that you aren't able to track every click and see where it comes from. So that's my video for today. Hope y'all learned something. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy YON WORLD.